After a long day of being on your feet, you would do just about anything for a massage. Maybe you don't have anyone around to do it or anyone willing to. Well, the Cloud Massager has got you covered. We've had ours for at least 4 years and it is still something that we use every single day. We have ours in our living room and we love to use it while we're unwinding at the end of the day watching TV. But honestly, you can have it in your bed, you can have it under your desk in your home office. Really, you can put it anywhere. And one of the great things is in the back, the handle is adjustable. So you can lay it flat or you can change the height. And one of the great things about being able to change the height is because not only is this for your feet, but you can also do your ankles and your calves when it is at a sitting tilted position. It has 3 different intensity modes and it is recommended to start at the lowest one and then slowly build yourself up to the highest level just once you get a feel for it to make sure that it is something you're comfortable with. It does have the rolling balls on here so you feel that nice rolling at the bottom of your feet or behind your calves, your ankles. This part here fills up with air, so you get that compression. It has vibrating, it has swaying, and one of my absolute favorite is it actually has a heat mode. So you just feel all of that radiating through your feet, your ankles, your calves. It's absolutely amazing. Unwinding at home never felt so good.